Hey everybody, I'm taking you to Mill Pond Park in Richmond Hill in this video. It's located at 321 Mill Street. It's a very popular park where you'll find a few beautiful trails and a boardwalk. It's a great place for photos or just to hang around on a nice day. Check out those ducks there. They're so cute, but I don't want to go too close in case I scare them. Did you see them wiggling their tails? It was a great day. Now you'll see a lot of these signs here, which is really good. I feel like the wildlife is always being fed, which is really bad because they start to rely on people and then they don't know how to get food anymore for themselves. Check out all these people hanging around here. They're just enjoying the wonderful weather and relaxing. Now I did shoot this video about a couple of months ago. I just didn't get a chance to do all the editing that's involved with it, so I'm posting it now. Right now in Canada, it's actually winter. Back in October, the weather was so good. It was perfect for walking along trails or doing a little bit of light hiking. I saw people jogging, riding bikes, walking their dogs, or just sitting with a drink here. It was almost t-shirt weather. Here there's a small area that has some signs which tells you about some of the animals that you might see here in the park. Like a Canada goose, for example. And that pond there, I think they say that you can skate on there in the winter. That's pretty cool, but I've never tried it out here. In the summer, they also have a lot of events and concerts here. A little fun fact for you, Mill Pond was named for the sawmill operation that once used the pond for power. For my hiking videos or walks in the park, I love leaving all the original sounds for you. They were captured during the time of recording, and you can hear all the lovely nature sounds, like the sweet bird songs. I love how this park has multiple walking trails. You can kind of just choose any path that you want. My favorite season for walking or hiking is definitely in the fall. September, October, even November is great. There are no mosquitoes, and the weather is really comfortable. There's a little bit of a stream here, which is pretty scenic. I always love to see how happy dogs are when they're on their walk. They just don't have a care in the world. There's another fork that leads down another path. I'm not sure where that one leads, but it looks interesting. There's a fork in the road now. I'm really happy to see some sort of incline that I could go up. I guess I like to climb. It's also the excitement of exploring a place that I've never been to. That's why I always love to travel. Oh, so this trail leads up to a big clearing with a lot of trees. Beyond that, seems to be houses. Can you imagine living close to here? You could come here every single day for a wonderful walk. Now let's head back down and check out the other trail. Going down this incline with a gimbal and recording at the same time is a bit of a challenge. It's not an easy feat. I have to make sure I'm not going to just roll down this hill. Alright, we're heading up the other side now. There was a little bit of sun, which was great. Well, what do you know? See a little bit of a big gazebo. But I think this place looks familiar. It leads up to the same clearing as the other side. Just a different path. You could have a picnic here with some family and friends. Very nice. So I found this other trail as I was heading back, and I thought I'd see what was at the end. It was a bit muddy, so I had to be careful not to step in the puddles. I think the trees at the very end would make a very beautiful photo, kind of like a tunnel. And here's another view, just on the other side of the park. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this walk with me at Mill Pond Park in Richmond Hill. Stay safe, stay healthy, and smile. Subscribe if you would like to see more relaxing videos like this, and see you next time!